Oh no. Oh no. Stop filming. Hi Bond Bakers, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I usually share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. But today I am on holidays. I'm back at my favorite place. I'm in Noosa National Park. I've spent a few days at Noosa Headland and I'm just enjoying some time off. Needed a little bit of a break. So this time for my video, we will be giving you a little bloopers reel because they always come up in all of the filming. Every week there's always something to laugh at me at. So we've done a little compilation for you and I hope that you enjoy. Hey guys, how are ya? Welcome, it's great to have you here and no, sorry, go again.
How are ya?
Mic check, mic check, mic check. Hello Bomb Bakers. Welcome to the Bomb Baker. You're with Nicole and today we're going to be making hot cinnamon baked donuts. Okay, can we start? Can I talk? It's going to be delicious. Naysayers will see you walk on water and say it's because you can't swim. And that is a quote from Anonymous, and I couldn't agree more. Hate is gonna hate, but let's just rise up. I don't know what to say. I don't know if they're open. I just want some sushi. There are just, oh sorry, I've got something in my eye. Okay. Right, I think I got it. Go again. Stop it. Take two. A couple of other things that you'll need. One of them is a mixing bowl. You'll also need something to mix your nuts with. So I've got a, what is this? A wooden spoon. Go again. It's like a bar of soap in the shower. Just rub it along, no, that's gross. Okay. It's really good, hey? You always do a funny clap.
Funny cut?
Clap.
Why is that funny?
I don't know, it's just weird.
Do you know what it's for?
Yeah, to go.
No, it's so I can see an audio spike that stands above the rest of the talking.
Oh.
And I know where to cut it. Oh. So it'll match them up, it'll synchronize.
Oh. I thought you were just telling me when to start going.
No.
You can have it with someone else as well because caring is sharing, and
sharing is caring.
Oh, sharing is caring. Damn it. Is caring sharing? Not really. Okay, go again, go again. I really hope you guys like this recipe and idea. Make sure if you do, you give me a like and thumbs up. Sorry, go again. Otherwise, just let it come to temperature. Sorry. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. Today we are going to be making mini carbonara quiches. I wanted to do something for my savory. Damn it. Did I say preheat your oven or not? Do you want to eat this or not? Does that make sense? Well, not really. Do you want me to go again? It's fine. Their favorite cereal, their favorite nuts or fruit. Sorry, go again. The other bits and pieces or kind of the background stuff. That bird. Step number 5. Get your beautiful strawberry baked, sorry, go again. Beautiful sweet treat. As I said, there's no, sorry, go again. Got a day job.
Yeah.
Do you want to delete that? Before they bake, and it's just gonna cut. I can't talk today. Okay. We're gonna be using, go again. These little guys are no bake, so you can make them in no time at all. And there's also, I don't know what to say here, sorry. A couple of other things that you'll need to make these amazing chocolate chip cookies. Sorry, go again. Muffins. Yeah, cool. I need to say one more thing. All we're gonna do is whip up now. I'll go again. And if you like this video and you like, damn it. Now, if you want to get a little bit fancy, it just really makes, sorry, go again. What should I do? What should I do? Oh no. Oh no. Stop filming. Ah, crap. Okay. All right. I'll get it together. Oh, stop it. Guys, don't forget. Okay, go again. There we go. Locked in. How cute do our little vegan chocolate peanut butter and oat cookies like? Like knives and forks and spoons and that kind of thing. So I have a, sorry, go again. I just scratched my head because I got a midgie in it. However, mixed nuts like these, you can't buy it anywhere. My voice. I was like choking. Something's caught. And I have some oil. No, go again. No, sorry, go again. So let's get to it. No. Okay, go again. Not too close. You like them? To high temperature, you want them to cook really nice and quickly once they hit that. No, go again. Pancakes are usually sorry, go again. I wanted to do this recipe with you today because this, ooh yeah. Oh, it smells amazing. I can't. Pop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Ah. I have rice bubbles going everywhere. It's also a really lovely dessert. It's nice and light and do I have to go again? Ah, fine. Now if you want to what? So probably go about 3/4 in the mixture now and 1/4 of the mix left. That doesn't make sense. What's that noise? A couple of other things that you'll need for these hot cinnamon donuts is a sieve, a large size mixing bowl, sorry, go again. I hope that you had a good laugh or at least cracked a little bit of a smile there. I think it's always important not to take yourself too seriously when possible. and I always make mistakes when I'm filming or like have some sort of blooper, which my husband likes to keep track of and store for times just like these. If you're interested what I usually get up to at Noosa, I do have a video of my top 3 things that I always do no matter what, and I'll leave that in the description box below for you and also link it up here. Thanks again for joining me today. It's awesome to have you here, and don't forget to watch, subscribe and hit the bell because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!